Hello 7th grade students. Welcome to the video that will help you register for 8th grade here at Vista Heights Middle School, home of the Blackhawks. All of you should have received a registration packet in your history class. If you did not receive a registration packet, please go to the counseling office and pick one up, or find one on our website at Vista Heights Middle School and the counseling webpage. Make sure it is the 8th grade registration packet. Remember, some classes you're already registered for: English, Math, History, Science, and Health. There will be one change this year because of limited PE space. You can only choose one PE class. Also, you will also have 6 electives. Remember, full year classes will take 2 spaces. Semester classes will just take 1. Also remember, you have 3 alternates. Please fill out those alternates and turn in this paper to the counseling office so that we are able to help you. The alternates are in case one of these classes is not available, we'll go down to an alternate. If you don't turn this paper back in, then we will just have to choose an alternate for you. On the back of this page are all of the classes that 8th graders can take. Notice over in this column, these are the full year classes. Spanish, American Sign Language, Chinese, all of these would take 2 spaces on the front of that paper. From here over, these are the semester classes. Fine arts classes, CTE, as well as several other ones. Notice, anything with a star next to it requires a teacher application to be submitted. If you're planning on signing up for a band or an orchestra class, please talk to your teacher about the appropriate placement. If you're signing up for a choir class, please sign up for concert choir, and then we will receive those classes and those placements from Mrs. Satterfield. Also notice that there is a Latinos in Action class that will be offered, but there is an application required. Several of these classes do require applications. Several other classes, for example, Technology, requires Technology 1 before you can take Technology 2. Please be aware of those classes as you are signing up for other classes so that you will be able to sign up for the appropriate class for what you have taken in the past. Once you have filled out your paperwork, then you can register for your classes on Skyward. Put in your login ID and your password. If for some reason you have forgotten your login ID and password, please come to the counseling office and we can help you out. Once you have signed into Skyward, you will be at your home page. On the menus over here, come down to Schedule, click on Schedule. That will have your current schedule on here. If you come up here to the top, notice it says Request Courses for 2016-17 in Vista Heights Middle School. Click on that. This is your registration page. Notice over here, these are required classes that we have already placed you in. If there's any error in those classes that we've placed you in, please contact the counseling office. Notice, even if they're wrong, you cannot remove a required class. You don't have that access. It must be removed and changed by the counseling office. Over here are your classes that you get to choose from. The first class we need to choose from is a PE. If you go down here to the bottom, notice you have 4 choices. You have PE Boys, Girls, Aerobics, and Fitness. Now, if you're wondering what different PE classes are, or any class for that matter, you can click on the class and it will give you an explanation of what that class is. To be able to choose a class, you highlight it. Maybe I want to take aerobics for next year. You click on that, say Add Course, and notice aerobics has been added to my selected courses. Each time I add a course, the total credits up here increases as well as the total requests. My goal is to get to 16 and to 8 credits. 16 because every one of our full year classes is broken into 2. And since there's 8 periods and 2 semesters, that will equal 16 here. credits because every full year of a class equals 1 credit. So let's go ahead and choose classes. Maybe first I want to choose band. And Mr. Lehman has told me that I'll be in intermediate band next year. So I click on that and add the course. Now notice, because band is a full year class, it automatically pulls over a full year of band. So I'm up to 6 credits, so I need a few more classes. So I come down here. Maybe I want to take a foreign language. Highlight ASL and add it over here. Again, it's a full year class, so it's pulled over 2 classes. Last year, maybe I took Art 1. So this year, I enjoyed it so much, I want to take Art 2. I can add that over. It pulls it over. Now I'm at 7.5 and 15 credits, or 15 requests, so I need to choose 1 more class. So I can come down here to the CTE area. If I took Exploring Tech, or Tech 1 in 7th grade, then I can take Tech 2 in 8th grade. So I'll add that course. Now, maybe I decided, oh, I shouldn't have had Tech 2. I wanted to have Communications Technology. So I can remove that class and then come down here and take the Communications Tech class. If you're wondering the difference between those classes, you can read the course description or talk to one of the technology teachers or a counselor. Once you have the 16 requests and the total credits of 8, click on Print, and that will allow you to print your schedule. Please bring that in with your registration form into the counseling office. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Remember, you do need to have your registration done by March 11th. If you fail to get that in, then we will be forced to choose your classes for you. So we recommend that you choose those classes. If you have any questions, please come in and visit your counselor or call the counseling office at 801-610-8771. Thank you and have a wonderful day.